everyone, welcome to your makeup tutorial for Victoria Zander and Fashion Art Toronto. And this is fun. This is a very soft, romantic makeup look. We are working with a pink color palette. We would like a pink shimmer on the eyelids, a nice pink crease. I did a little bit of a darker pink in the outer corner, and then I smoothed it all out. A very natural lash line, mascara. Just brush out the brows. If you have soap or a clear gel, go ahead and just fluff them out. I did a little bit of a deeper pink, a deep rose on the lip. We will bring a color to set so that everybody can have a flattering lip. And again, please don't worry if you don't have the makeup at home. I'm asking you to do as much as you can with this tutorial, and then we will touch it up on location. And I do have blush on. It kind of got well, it's kind of there. So just a light natural flush to the face, and then highlight. And I don't know if my lights are picking up this highlight, but I promise. Oh, there it is, kind of. Yeah. So highlighter on the upper cheeks. I did a little bit of highlighter on my lip, and I think I might have done a little bit around this part of my face, just to give my face a lift. And that's about it. So it's a very soft, romantic look, and have fun with it. Enjoy. Okay, so we're going to get started with some skincare for this look, and we want to keep the skin nice and hydrated and really glowy. So I'm going to recommend, after cleansing your face, that you use some sort of hydrating toner. I'm using something that's rose-based so that it adds a little bit of hydration back to my skin. I'm going to go ahead and top that off with a beauty oil. And there's many different hydrating serums. Use whatever you like best, and make sure you're adding a nice suppleness back to your skin. And then top that off with your favorite moisturizer. And then, because we do want to make sure that we're taking care of our skin, I'm going to go ahead and top off with some SPF. Now, I usually do my eye cream before I do my moisturizer, and I forgot, so I'm going to go ahead and tap that on right now. Now that our skin prep is done, I'm actually going to jump right into my eye look. I'm going to let the skin prep kind of absorb into my skin and work on my eyes. So we're going for a very soft, romantic look, and I've actually pulled some of my favorite Danessa Myricks pigments. These are Color Fix products that are squeeze tube. So I'm going to have these on set for your look, and we'll be able to squeeze these out and do a very soft eye look with a little bit of shimmer. And I have like so many shades to play with here. So the idea is to do a soft, shimmery, romantic look. And I'm kind of feeling, I've got these two. One is called Ballerina, one is called, what do I have here? Romance and Ballerina. And then I have Desert Rose Latte. And then I have this like more neutral brown, just in case, but we really want to keep it on the pink side. So I think I'm gonna play with these four colors. I also have a shimmer palette here. This is a palette of blushes and highlighters. And that kind of, these tones also work well. And then any type of pink eyeshadow palette that you have. This is one from Suva Beauty. Anything in this family, not so purple, more on the pink side, but pinks and soft browns are definitely what we're going for. So I'm gonna depot these, and we're gonna just play with a little bit of a pink look. So I'm gonna start with my favorite brush. This is the Superhero brush. I just cleaned it, so it's actually still a little bit damp, but whatever. And I'm going to do kind of the outer crease, the contour, and then I'm gonna come back in with a light shimmer for my mobile lid. That's just about the level of depth that we want on the crease. And now I'm gonna go in, I'll start with my ballerina color. It's just a nice shimmer. And a lot comes out of this pigment, so I gotta be careful. And I'm just going to tap a light shimmer on the inner third. And then because I want to see how the product layers, I'm actually going to put the ballerina on top, and we'll just see what that layer is like. So a nice, soft, pretty romantic look. And I'm going to go ahead and do a very thin black eyeliner on the eyes, keeping really tight to my lash line just to help enhance the shape, but I don't want it too dark at all. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just finish perfecting my skin. And for this look, if you have a foundation, it'd be great to just do a light base of foundation and then go over top with either your moisturizer or a highlighter. We wanna add a little bit of glow to the skin, but we do want the skin to be nice and even. So I'm gonna go ahead with my foundation and I'm going to gently just tap it in all over. And then if you do have any under eye circles, go ahead and gently conceal that. And I do like to use my triangle, my little sponge here, but I like to set it with setting spray, and I don't know where I put it. There it is. And I think I'm just gonna clear a little bit on my brow bone. I can see the pink coming a little bit high, so I'm actually just gonna take a little bit of my palette here, it's a light skin color for me, and see if I can find a brush. I'm gonna use my synthetic brush. I'm just gonna gently tap under the brow bone. And then blend it in with the crease. And I'm gonna do the same thing on my inner eye, just to help lighten and brighten this area of my face. There. That just helps lighten and soften the eye look a little bit and helps balance out the intensity. Now we want a soft, romantic look, so I am gonna go ahead and I was debating on what to put on my cheeks, but I think I am gonna use, we were going for like a bit of an old Hollywood look, so I'm gonna try this. This is the Desert Rose. We're gonna try this on the lips and see how it looks. And because these are all squeeze tubes, these are things that I can have on location and be able to pull out if any of the model faces need a little bit more color or whatever. But I'm just gonna tap this on my lip. And then I'm gonna take the same color and just gently blend it on my cheeks for a bit of a natural flush. And that can actually be done on location as well with sponges, so it's a little bit more sanitary than my bare fingers playing with people's faces. But I will have sponges and everything on set so that we can keep things safe for everybody. Now I'm going to use a loose powder, but I don't really have the sheer one I was looking for. I have a setting powder, but I'm going to go ahead and set my face because we want the products to stay, and I love buffing into the skin to make sure that the makeup stays in place. But then I'm going to go ahead and add on a face highlighter in certain areas of the face just to make sure that I am still getting that glowy look that we're going for. So I'm gonna go back in with my, this one's Laura Geller highlighter. It has a beautiful highlight to it. It actually has a hint of a pinky gold undertone with the white, so it really suits the romantic look for this, the romantic feel for this look. So then, to finish the face, we're actually going to brush out the brows with a little bit of brow soap. So you can literally use any bar of soap, get it wet with a spoolie brush or a toothbrush if you don't have a spoolie brush. And, oh, I just broke my brush. Well, this is cute. I'm gonna use it with my fingers. There. And we're just brushing out the brows to groom them in place, and the soap will help keep them fluffy, which is kind of cool, and in place. Then if you have a lash curler, go ahead and curl your lashes. I still can't find my lash curler. I lost it a few days ago. It's gone. I'm living in a mess right now, so it's fine. I'll find it when I clean up. But I'm going to go ahead and put on my mascara. And then I think just to finish the look, I am gonna go underneath my eye on my lash line with just a little light. Actually, I'm gonna see if I'm just going to very gently brush underneath my eye. I'm not really looking to add any pigment, so I'm using the same brush that I've done my makeup with, and I'm just going to gently brush just to smooth out under the eye and kind of create a good eye shape. There. So this is your look for Victoria Zander, and it's a soft romantic look. I hope you have fun with it. If you have any questions, please shoot them my way. And remember, we will have the pigments to do the look on location. I simply am asking you to do as much as you can from home. Thanks guys, see you soon.